Hey there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are making detoxifying onion soup. I will put a link to the Toomey seasoning in the description box below. Okay, today I am making something I've made before. No, I don't have a recipe to follow by truly. I just kind of create my own deal. And so, let's peel this sucker. Wow. There's got to be a better way to peel onions. I mean, come on. Anybody have any tips or tricks? Float them in the comments. All right, let's go with that. Perfect. I'll just push those off to the side for right now, for the purpose of the video. You're right. I'm not really sure how I want to cut these, but I'm just gonna wing it, which is the way I always do cooking. So I am making a onion soup, really plain onion soup that's really healthy for you. Apparently the reading that I've done is it's helpful for mycotoxins, and I'm hoping it gives my body a little jump start. I'm getting rid of some nasty, if I have nasty, toxins in my body. I guess onions are supposed to be detoxifying, so I don't care if I have big chunks or small chunks. I'm just kind of trying to wing it here. So I have 2 onions, but I think I'm gonna just stick with 1 for today. Anyway, so I'm gonna bring the pan over here. I'm going to have olive oil. We're gonna sweat the onions a little bit with some garlic. All right. Okay. Let's actually just go ahead and put the onions into the pot of a little bit of olive oil. All right, set that over on the stove. And then I'm gonna just gonna get all chopped up anyway, so I love the way to peel these. Did I get it? Yep. Perfect. That's plenty. And bring the pot back over actually. All right, so I'm gonna put it in my garlic press. Okay. Oh, goodness. Garlic, so lots of garlic is good. And then this is a mixture that I just ended up putting in an old container. It is a mixture of Toomey seasoning that I use on all of my foods, and some extra hot stuff is good. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the stove now. Let's see here. Okay, we're just gonna put this on a medium heat. This is a kitchen craft pan, so it will heat up the entire pan for an even heat and an even cooking. Okay, so in there right now, as you've seen, we have a little bit of olive oil, the chopped up onion, brown onion, there was like 2.5 to 3, because I like garlic, cloves of garlic, and we're just gonna let these sweat a little bit. And while that's happening, I'm gonna grab what else I need. Okay, you can hear that cooking up. And here is my organic turmeric powder. Be careful with this stuff, as it is extremely, it'll ruin your clothes, it will dye your clothes. So I'm gonna just put in a little bit here. Okay, it's probably good. Now I'm going 8-ounce container, and like I said, there's been a little bit used, but it doesn't matter. You can use vegetable broth, chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you want. You can make your own broth. I just don't have the means to do that right now. I've been told for this soup, it's, for the purpose of this soup anyway, you can add cayenne, things that are hot, cayenne, even somebody said coriander, which I believe are the seeds that come from cilantro. Anyway, then we're gonna just put a lid on this and let it do its thing for a little while. We're gonna turn it down to low. Okay, it's on low. Probably let it simmer there for probably 20 minutes. And we'll come back and show you what it looks like. And there it is. All done. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you take the opportunity to make this yummy soup yourself. And please like and subscribe this channel. It will help me out greatly. And I hope you return to watch future videos I put out. Thank you.